2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, premium sound system, 8 speakers, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.